Look at the question number 51. If root 3 tan theta is equal to 1 and theta is an acute angle, find the value of sine 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. First, we find the angle theta. So here, root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. So, divide both sides by root 3. We'll get tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So, here tan theta. So, 1 by root 3 andre theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by root 3. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So the value of sine 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. So here sine 3 into theta is 30 plus cos 2 into theta is 30 degree. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sine 330 is a 90 degree plus cos 60 degree. So sine 90 degree value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2. So the value of sine 3 theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to 3 by